5 ways to stay safe while camping. Number 1. Vaccinations. Vaccinations will protect you and your family from being exposed to most viruses or diseases. Number 2. Prepare food and water. If you know you will be in an area with contaminated food and water, it is prudent to be prepared and follow a few hygiene rules. Number 3. Learn to recognize poisonous plants. Before you arrive, learn what poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac look like to prevent any issues. Number 4. Stay away from wild animals. Wild animals are a concern to campers, although they normally will not bother you unless they are provoked. Respect their space, and they will generally respect yours. Number 5. Watch for storms. The National Weather Service recommends that when you hear thunder, you should seek shelter immediately. Get inside of a safe building or vehicle if at all possible.